if you haven't done so, I'd appreciate you saving me as an eBay seller for future breaks, as well as subscribing to the channel here. I do have a break on fairwaysportscards.com, a football break. Hopefully you can take a look at it here. This is our Contenders Optic Hobby 4-box. Great cards, great autos in here, veterans as well as rookies. Pick your team style, so appreciate you taking a look at that. Got some personals available tonight. Got a few Optic blasters in. Some cellos, Prizm cellos, basketball, of course, baseball, and some hockey, too. So we could do personals after this break here. Fairwaysportscards.com. New customers take off 10% using the code FIRST10. So this is the 3 cello box break for 2020 Prizm, Optic, and Mosaic. We'll do Optic first. We'll do Prizm second, and we'll finish with Mosaic. Yeah, we got 36 packs in there, and hopefully we pull some fire. So let's get going with it. Appreciate everyone joining again, and good luck, and let's do it. Patrick Queen, green laser for the Ravens. Tommy Stevens, Saints. Dalvin Cook. Mahomes. Colin Johnson for the Jaguars. Green laser, Raekwon Davis. Kyler. Big Benigni, Dolphins. Drew Brees, Tom Brady. Benjamin for the Cardinals. Gronk. Julio Jones. Baker. Juju. McCaffrey. Saquon. Lewis for the Rams. Green laser. Keyshawn Vaughn. Tampa Bay. Aaron Rodgers. Derrick Henry. Josh Allen. Nice. Chase Claypool. Green laser, Steelers. All right, Steelers is going out to Timothy, followed by a Chase Young. Kamara. Drew Brees, Dominators. Tristan Wirfs, Tampa Bay. Lamar. Hopkins. Mahomes. My House, TJ Watt. Winfield Jr., Tampa. Ridley. Aaron Donald, Diggs, Daniel Jones, Ezekiel Elliott, Jacob Eason. Green laser for the Colts. Arnett for the Raiders. Chris Godwin. Russell Wilson, Kyler. Darrell Taylor, green for the Seahawks. Kinlaw, 49ers. Big Ben, Tannehill. Marquise Brown. Osborne, hollow for the Vikes. Cole Kmet, Bears. Drew Brees, Brady. Matt Ryan and Cam Newton. Last Optic. Kyler Murray, hollow. Joe Burrow. Von Miller, DK Metcalf. All right, Prizm. Hey, Candy. Keenan Allen, Green Brilliance. Jerry Jeudy. Just a piece of dust. Dawkins, Lazard, Jacob Eason, red, white, and blue. Anthony Jennings, green for the Patriots. Jalen Smith, James Morgan, Jets. Hicks, Culpepper, Juwan Jennings, San Fran. Stephon Diggs, Tyreek Hill, McCaffrey, Russell Wilson, Kyler Green. Two nice Kyler parallels so far. Jarvis Landry, Raekwon Davis, Dolphins. Travis Kelce, Chris Godwin, Aquagbunum, Denver. Hopkins, Daniel Hunter, Green, unstoppable. Aaron Donald, unstoppable. Antonio Gibson for Washington. Josh Norman, Buffalo Bills card. Smith for the Packers. Brian Edwards, Raiders. Cleveland Farrell, Green, Raiders. Josh Jacobs, Fireworks. Huntley for Detroit. Chark, Brandon Graham, and Jalen Reagor, Philadelphia Eagles. Daniel Jones, Denzel Ward, Green, Pittman Jr., Emergent, Justin Jefferson, Vikings. Uzomah, Dexter Lawrence, and DeAndre Swift for the Lions. Culpepper, Green, Aaron Donald, Fireworks, Gandy Golden. Simmons, Demario Davis, Aquara, Detroit. Kamara, Brian Burns, Silver, Roquan Smith, Jake Fromm. Malcolm Butler, Ian Thomas, and Van Jefferson for the Rams. Clyde Edwards-Helaire, Green. Nice one for KC. Nice one there for Corey. Nick Chubb and Ayuk, 49ers. Minshew, Chris Carson, and Nate Stanley, Vikings. Baker. Justin Jefferson green emergent. Nice one there. Chenault Jr. And then Clyde Edwards-Helaire. Base Prizm. Marquise Brown, Aaron Jones, Peoples-Jones for Cleveland. Josh Allen, Saquon, James White green, Ezekiel Elliott, Jalen Hurts showing up. Laramie Tunsil, Kyle Fuller, and JaMychal Hasty, San Fran. All right, last Prizm. Evan Ingram green, Devontae Parker, Anthony Jennings, New England. Peyton Manning, Kevin Byard, and Thaddeus Moss for Washington. Okay, let's do Mosaic. Will the Win silver, Julio Jones, Tua. Good start. C.J. Henderson, green for the Jags. Ezekiel Elliott, Deshaun Watson. Aaron Jones, Tom Brady, pink. Buccaneers. Joshua Kelly, Chargers. Flea Flicker, Jags, silver Mosaic. Jalen Hurts. Lamar Jackson, green. Edwards-Helaire, NFL debut. Fitzgerald, Zach Ertz, and Jerry Rice, Hall of Fame for the Pinks. I don't have an Optic break tonight. There was an Optic box in this break. Oh, you mean the Optic contenders on my website? Yeah, it's a pick your team. So yeah, there's plenty of spots left. Michael Vick silver, Antonio Gibson, Chandler Jones Mosaic, Watt Pro Bowl, Boomer Mariota Derek Brown, Piranha, I mean, you know, it's just starting to get spots taken, so I don't really have a time frame. I mean, I wish it was going quicker than it is, but you know, there's 27 teams left, so you know, hopefully, you know, in the next week or so. Mahomes got game. Devin Duvernay. J.K. Dobbins, green, NFL debut. Randy Moss will to win. Troy Aikman. Thanks for the spot purchase. Singletary, Cam Jordan, and Chase Claypool. Pink NFL debut. Bobby Wagner, green. Derrick Henry, touchdown masters. Palomalu. Jerry Rice, green, touchdown masters. Jalen Reagor, Eagles. Earl Thomas, Jerry Rice, and Cole Kmet, Chicago Bears. Tom Brady. Mahomes, silver will to win Mosaic. Chenault Jr., Jaguars. Josh Allen, green. Gronk for the Bucks. Tom Brady, MVPs. John Elway, Marshall Faulk, and Gabriel Davis for Buffalo. Tom Brady, green, got game. McFarland Jr., Kamara, green. Tomlinson, touchdown masters. Jalen Reagor, NFL debut. Jordy Nelson, Landon Collins, Keyshawn Vaughn, Tampa Bay. Rob Gronkowski, silver. CD Lamb. Josh Jacobs, silver Mosaic. Flea Flicker, Detroit, Jim Kelly. Chris Jones, Cunningham, and Chase Young. Pink NFL debut. Flea Flicker, Baltimore Ravens, Jake Fromm. Van Der Esch Green. Staubach and Bettis. Marquise Brown, Drew Brees, Steve Young. Clyde Edwards-Helaire. Tyler Johnson, green. Josh Jacobs, will to win, and then a Joe Burrow NFL debut. AJ Green, Ngokui, and James Morgan for the Jets. If you order what? SMTH? What's SMTH? A personal we could do right after this break here. Chase Young, you came at the right time because we only have 2 packs left here. Dick Buckus green, Emmitt Smith, touchdown Masters, Galladay. Roger Staubach, pink, Robert Woods, and Darrington Evans. All right, last pack. CD Lamb, silver, NFL debut. Nice one for the Cowboys. Jacob Eason. John Elway, Silver Hall of Fame. Minnesota Flea Flicker, and then a Jacob Eason NFL debut. All right, last pack. Lamar Pink, Ricky Williams, and Jalen Hurts finishing out strong. Pink NFL debut. All right, Jalen Hurts pink, CeeDee Lamb silver, Evans pink, Chase Young, Joe Burrow debut, Tyler Johnson green, Edwards-Helaire, Chase Young pink, CeeDee Lamb, Keyshawn Vaughn pink, Tom Brady green got game, Gabriel Davis pink, Mahomes silver will to win, Chase Claypool pink debut, J.K. Dobbins green debut, Jalen Hurts, Tom Brady pink, Tua, Jalen Hurts Prizm, Edwards-Helaire, Justin Jefferson green emergent, Edwards-Helaire green, DeAndre Swift red, white, and blue, Justin Jefferson, Kyler green, Jacob Eason red, white, and blue, Jerry Jeudy, Kyler Hollow, Joe Burrow, Jacob Eason green laser, Chase Young, and Chase Claypool green laser. All right, that's the break. Thank you for joining again. Mosaic Blaster. Oh, yeah, okay. We'll do it again, man. Anyone who's still here after this break, again, we are looking for spots in the Optic contenders. And I'm going to put up the personal menu now.